Hi, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel, and today is another AeroGarden update. We've been doing daily updates for the AeroGarden right from the beginning, which was the setup and unboxing. I will leave a link up above to the playlist for this so you can check it out from the beginning if this is your first time here. Everything's growing, everything's doing quite well. The dill, obviously, if you've been watching, the dill is going crazy. We're actually almost to the point, I think, where we can start to harvest some dill. And the basil is coming up quite well as well. So thanks for joining me again for another update. If you've missed out our live stream yesterday, you can check out that. That's on the channel now, the recording. We cooked a panzanella salad. It was a great summer salad. So check that out if you're looking for a simple recipe for the summer and the patio. Let's get into the AeroGarden update and we'll show you the fresh herbs. All right, so here we are here. We have our daily update. It's 23 days of growing and we have 5 days left before we have to give it some more of the AeroGarden liquid plant food in the top. And I will just, because the herbs have been growing so well, and I've had a few comments saying they want to see how this level here. So there we are here. That's just showing almost everything is up past the dome. We've only got the thyme and the mint is still covered. And then you can see the lights on the top. So someone had asked how to adjust the height of the lights, because right now, as you can see, the dill is starting to touch the light. So I've had to raise it a little bit already, but there's just a little lever on the back. And what it does is you can just open it, and then it just closes that way. So that will raise the lights up. And what you wanna have is the herbs you wanna have not touching the top. So we'll have to adjust that when we lower it down. But as you can see here, let's give it a bit closer look. Everything is growing quite nicely. There is the dill in the back, lots of growth on the dill. We'll probably be using that in the next couple days for sure. And then next one is, this is the Thai basil coming up nicely as well. Really lots of growth in there, which is awesome. And on the back, Genovese basil, still nice as well. And let's just see, parsley coming up quite good as well. I think there's one more. This one is a bit more from yesterday, so that's always nice to see. And then the thyme, just in the dome there, you can see starting to grow slowly but surely. And then the last one, this was the last to grow, the mint finally is starting to poke through the hole. So we can still leave that covered obviously, but it is coming up slowly. But we'll have mint, I think, in no time. Once it starts, what I've noticed with the herbs in the AeroGarden is, like, once they really kind of come up past the growth, and we take the dome off, then they just really start to blossom up. So, and we'll check the water, and then we actually do have to add a little bit of water today. It has gone down from the fill line. So what I'm going to do is I will grab some water, and then we will top it up as well. So you can take a look at that. And I just use water from the Brita filter just because it's in a jug and easy to grab. So you just have to take the lid off and top it up to the part where it says fill here. And it takes just a little bit to top up. So you want to keep an eye on that, especially now that the herbs are growing quite good. So we'll back that up, and I'll just show you how we lower the light to the right level, because we don't want to have it bumping on the herbs, or they'll actually burn from the light. So we'll just cut it down just below. So we've actually raised it, you can see, a good inch from where it first started. So it's going to be growing quite nicely. And there we go. That is day 23, and 5 days left to feed. All right, thanks everybody for joining me. It's always kind of fun to check the AeroGarden out first thing in the morning, see all the growth. Everything is coming up like crazy. People said at the very beginning, you're going to have a ton of herbs, and I believe them now. It's pretty crazy. I think once I start, and especially I think once we start to kind of trim some of the, harvest some of the herbs off, that'll encourage some more growth, as far as I understand as well. So we'll be cutting the mint, no, sorry, not the mint, the dill and the basil pretty quickly. So check out this weekend. I think we'll probably start to harvest it then after a few more days, at least one of them. So if you are new and not subscribed to the channel and want to keep following along to see how this garden grows, hit the subscribe button, but also hit the notification bell, because I can also do live streams on this channel of cooking demonstrations. We cook healthy meals, typically within an hour, right from start to finish, so you can follow along, you can ask questions, and you can learn how to cook healthy meals for yourself and for your family. And we've also got a ton of recipes back in the back catalog of the channel, so if you're new as well, maybe just check those out. There's recipes for, we've got Instant Pot recipes, we've got one pan recipes, we've got barbecue recipes, we've got vegetarian recipes, we've got vegan recipes. There's a ton on there and something for everybody. So I encourage you to check it out, subscribe, hit the like button as you finish this video, and I will link at the very end of this the video from yesterday's AeroGarden update. So until I see you tomorrow, have a great day, everybody.